Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to apply for a small business loan with bad credit. Believe it or not, this is a common question, and a lot of other business owners, just like you, have sacrificed their credit building their business, or have had unexpected things happen either in their business or in life that have hurt their credit score. In the video today, we're going to show you exactly what to do and how you can apply for a small business loan with bad credit. A lot of business owners just sacrifice their credit in order to build their business, so it's completely understandable. I've been there myself, and I've spoken to a lot of business owners who have done the same, so don't feel bad about it. But trying to get financing when you have some challenged credit or your credit's not the best can be extremely frustrating. There are options out there that are available. There are not many, and knowing the right place to go is extremely important. Otherwise, you'll get frustrated and exhausting from shopping around and around. And then you'll have your credit ran multiple times, which again is not going to do anything to help improve your credit score. So it's really important that you get with someone that has experience in helping business owners with financing with bad credit. So if you've already gone to your bank or realized that your credit score is not a 650 or 680 or higher, then there are some options that are available. And the options that are available aren't really all that bad. There's some really great options available with some lenders that focus on business owners and specific industries that are really more focused on the business and the cash flow of the business and what you're looking to get accomplished in your business more so than your personal credit. There are a number of options out there for business owners with bad credit. And again, depending on your industry, depending on what you're looking to get accomplished, will make up the right lender that will be able to help you. There are some lenders out there that will actually go down to a 500 credit score, even below 500 credit score, which is an extreme situation, and a bank would never look at financing someone with a credit score in the 500 range. So again, depending on your industry and depending on what you're looking to get accomplished will make up that program and product. If you're unsure of your credit score, there's a number of places online that you can go and run your credit for free or very small charges and get your credit score, which would be important for you to know. But it's really important that you don't shop around from lender to lender to lender and continue to have your credit ran, because the multiple inquiries, it doesn't really help you and can hurt you and actually make your score even worse. You don't want to do that. So there are lenders out there that will actually get you funded and not focus on your personal credit score. And there's some lenders that will go all the way down to a 500 credit score, even below a 500 credit score. We recently had a dentist that ran into some life challenges, and some things happened that dropped his credit score to just above 500, which was extremely low. It's never been that low, but he had some opportunities to expand his business and needed some financing. A lot of the lenders that we work with are focused on small businesses, and they understand that life happens and that there's challenges. So what we were able to do is we were able to really dive deep into the business, get a better understanding of what happened, and saw that it was something outside of the business. And he had a great time in business, a great history. We were able to present a pretty strong case to our lender, and we actually got him approved for over $100,000 with that credit score being just above 500, which was amazing. He was able to purchase a piece of equipment, add an additional staff member, and focus on growing and expanding his business. It was a really great story, and we were really happy to help. And there's a lot of stories out there like that. On top of that, a lot of business owners sacrifice their credit in the beginning to get it going, and we understand that. But it's really important that if you're dealing with a situation where your credit is going through a tough time, it's really important that you're working with a company that understands how to present that in the right way to underwriting in order to really ensure that you're actually going to get an approval. And it's really important that whoever you're working with works with a number of lenders that offers multiple financing programs, so they can place you or get you to the right place that's actually going to approve you. Otherwise, it can be extremely frustrating, challenging. You'll get a lot of feedback that it's in underwriting, we're waiting for an answer, and you don't want to burn up weeks or months of time hoping that you're going to get approved, then to find out that you weren't. We're really great with eliminating that frustration and time and getting you to a fast no and telling you what maybe you need to do to improve. With the dentist, and the reason why that worked out so well is we were really able to have an in-depth conversation with the dentist or business owner and really find out what exactly happened. We also were able to take a look at a number of different great things that were happening in the business, and we were able to bring the dentist to a lender that specifically focuses in the medical space, that is extremely comfortable with dentists and primary care doctor offices, which was really important. But what was really important is we were able to go through and explain a number of different things. One, the reasons what happened, and then the areas of opportunity and all the great things that the dental practice has going on, even though there were some recent things that happened that dropped his credit score. After going through that and putting together and really presenting it in the right way to underwriting and to the lender felt comfortable and approved him for a great deal. So the reason why you may be watching this video is perhaps you might have bad credit or have gone through some different challenges, whatever it might be, and we completely understand that, and we've all gone through them in business. It's super important that you get with someone that can understand and hear your story and really present it and paint the picture with the lender and underwriting to ensure that you're going to get approved. There are some lenders out there that even after hearing your story may not approve you, but there are also some lenders out there that maybe really understand your specific industry and will absolutely hear your story and give you an approval that you never thought you might get. We've been really great with helping business owners all across the country in all industries with bad credit get approved and actually get funded. If you can use our help, please check out the link below, and we'd love to hear your story and help you get funded and get growing. Another bonus thing that we offer is we're not just about helping you get funded. We offer a number of different business services, and one of them actually is personal credit repair. So we can also not only help you get funded, but we'll work with you after the funding in order to get your credit score back to where it should be.